In this video, I will show you how to make money online through your device. It's either laptop, mobile phone, or your PC, whatever device you have, and internet. Your device has internet access. So, if you think that making money is not easy, it's probably wrong. It's easy. Its initial part takes some time from you. So put time and try to make money through your device or anywhere. Even you can do that physically. Making money is not easy, but if you give some time, it will be easy for you. So if you work for money, first of all, money work for you instead of that. So like, so you need to, therefore you need to change your mindset. Be strong, never quit if it is not work immediately. Try always. I'm hoping if you try that, if you focus on your work, you will get money within your year. There is tried. If you tried 2023, you can get money in this year. So you need to try. Never quit. Quitters never win. Winner never quit. Keep in mind. So I have some point of making trusted money, legitimate money. So I'm going to share with you those topic, those point to you. Through your mobile you can make money, through your device you can make money. Whatever device you have, laptop, PC, whatever, feel free to, you can make money. So number one is doing work for other through your device. Like it's freelancing, agency, all sort of work. If you have skill, you can do work for freelancer marketplace, Fiverr, Upwork, all sort of freelancer.com, all sort of marketplace, or anywhere, LinkedIn. So it's the initial number one. So if the like subject is doing work for other, it's the freelancer part. And here is two option, agency and freelancing. If you haven't any skill, you can start your like one business. Like if someone give you work, like $10 $100 project, and you can hire cheaper $10 people. You can doing work from your $10 people like a freelancer marketplace. You can find anywhere people. So $10 people, you can done that work and give them work, and $100 is your, and $10 give your cheaper freelancer, $90 is your profit. Boom. So it's easy to say, but it's hard to do. Try that. Number two is sell. You can sell through your device. So if you have your own product, you need to you have two options. One is organic and two is ad. So if you want to do that and no money cost, you need to put there for time to growing your audience, legitimate audience, organic audience. So it's work for like YouTube, Facebook page, YouTube channel. So if you have already a lot of member, a lot of audience, you can sell your product through your audience. So number two is object sell. Topic object two. Number one is legitimate way, organic, that I shared YouTube and Facebook through, you can do that. And number two is ad. If you have money, you can spend your money through ad, through reach people to your product. So number three is cryptocurrency. You can work for cryptocurrency like investment, or I have seen that you can as well do that airdrop. If you haven't any money, if you are broke, you can do that. And testnet, cryptocurrency is majority person think that it's just investment. I need to put some money and therefore I get money. No, you when you like, it's a big marketplace cryptocurrency. If you haven't money, you can put some time, because time is your money, so you have a time. So put some time. Like airdrop is work like, what does airdrop do? So if you ask that question to me, I will answer that airdrop is the thing that crypto one or crypto token one, or they, when they launch their token, at that time no one buy their token. So therefore they distribute that token through airdrop, through giveaway. So you can participate giveaway and earn money. So it's not legitimate or trusted way. So you can do that. I have made like over $1,000 from this technique. So you can do that as well. So these three topic: number one, I had shared doing work for other, number two is sell something, and number three, cryptocurrency through your device. It's a legitimate way you can do that. So I'm hoping you will get something from my video, and see you later in the next video. If you want more about income related video, feel free to comment box, write down what you want. So if you want to do what is the airdrop, how to make money airdrop, I will share with you. I'm interested about that. What about you?